Hello, second graders. Do you remember yesterday when we talked about the soft C sound? Do you remember what it sounds like? Did you say S? Soft C sounds like S. Okay, so when the letters E, I, or Y come after a C, the C is soft and it's pronounced like an S. Okay, so today we are going to look closely at this ending CE. Okay, listen as I read these words: dance, peace, since, chance. You heard how all these C's were soft C's, right? They said s, not dank or peak. It's dance, peace. Okay, but I want you to notice something. Why is it not letting me erase that box? Here we go. Okay. We know that when a word ends with a magic E, it makes the vowel long usually. If we had the word cut and we add a magic E, it changes the word to cute. If we have the word tap and we add a magic E, it makes the word tape. But listen to these words: dance, peace, since, chance. I noticed that 3 of those 4 words still have short vowel sounds. Did anybody notice the one that still has a long vowel sound? Peace. Why does peace have a long vowel sound? It's not because of this E at the end. It's not a magic E. It's because this is a vowel team. And when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. Okay, so when the ending CE is at the end of the word, it does not affect the vowel sound. When it has a CE, it does not follow that rule of changing the vowel to a long sound. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to practice reading a bunch of words that have this CE ending. So whenever we see the CE ending, we're going to tap it S, like a soft C. Okay? So we'll tap out each word. First word, dance, dance. Next word, fence, fence. Since, since. Chance, chance. Prince, prince, like a prince or princess. Peace, peace. Force, force. Glance, glance. Does anybody know what the word glance means? When have you heard that word used? A little bit ago, I saw my neighbor, Jerry, whose house is right over there. I saw her out working in her garden, and when I saw the movement out there, I glanced to see what it was. Okay, I didn't want to watch for a long time because I was actually in the middle of recording this video, but it caused me to glance. So a glance is like a real quick look. Okay, how about the next one? Mince, mince. Ants, prance. Fleece, fleece. Right, 2 vowels together. Vowel team makes a long vowel, so that's E, fleece. Ants, trance. Ants, France. Grease, grease. Why do you suppose these 2 words have uppercase letters at the start? I think you know, I didn't hear what you said, but I think you knew that they were proper nouns. They're names of countries. So this isn't the kind of grease like there was so much grease on the hamburger. This is the name of a country. Okay, this word is 2 syllables. So the first syllable is let, and the second syllable is t-us. Lettuce, lettuce, like lettuce, like salad. And this one's also 2 syllables. First syllable, p-er-ack. is. Practice, practice. And now you're going to get a chance to practice because we're going to move to our dictation.